Pause. Pause muna, pause. Balik mo nga, balik. Pause. Sino yung nurse na yan? Pangalan, sir, pangalan.
Chelsea,
Pangalan.
Chelsea Ansis, sir.
Ha?
Chelsea
Chelsea
Ansis.
Ansi. Andito ka?
Ansis.
Okay, ikaw yun. Thank you. Yung isa, yung babae na nakaitim.
Samantha Yurong. Sa likod.
Samantha Yurong.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Please continue.
Bitbita.
Pause. Sino yung yung mahaba na purong, yung may blue, may green na kuha sa gilid? Sino yan, sir? Yan? Yan.
Si Maymay. Yung lalaki ba?
Yan, oh. Sa gitna. Yan.
Si Clarence Diquito.
Pangalan, sir?
Clarence
Clarence
Diquito.
Diquito. Itong sa harap na nakakap. Yan.
Si Matt Ryan Navarro.
Matt Ryan Navarro. Kusek, please take note. Yung nasa likod na babae. Likod ni Matt Ryan.
Yan si Chelsea
Chelsea.
Ay, di, yung nurse naka-scrub suit.
Yung nakakap, nakalawsihat.
Si Samantha Yurong.
Yurong. Identify natin lahat. Yung likod ng nurse. Sino yan?
Ha?
Yan nakabunit na
Si Joel Pakulangan.
Joel Pakulanga. Yung sa likod ba, sir? Isa. Yan.
Ariel Pable.
Ariel Public. Yung isa, sir? Yun.
Valkyrie Dumagan.
Please take note, Kumsek. Sige, sir. Continue, sir. Please continue. Pause muna sandali. Sino yung sigigakos kay Mayor? Ikaw yun. Tapos yung babae, ikaw yun. So dalawa lang kayo. Okay, thank you. Continue, sir. Continue.
Yes, so, Your Honor, can we please
Pause.
Yes, in here, we have to emphasize na the suspended mayor was also tried to injure himself by stepping on the glass shards that were from the broken windows and door. So kung marinig natin kanina, ang sabi niya, dirira ko. So contrary, his statement na he was willing to go down to the police station. So ang sinabi niya, dirira ko in Bisaya, dito lang ako. ayaw kong umupo dyan sa wheelchair or doon sa...
Well noted, sir. Pero sir, ako, Mayor, with due respect to your sinabi kayo ngayon, nasa labas ka na ng opisina. Nasa labas ka na. Wala tayong nakita video doon sa loob eh. Pero, tingnan ko lahat ng mga tao sa paligid, wala ko nakita may dalang Armalite. Walang nakahawak na Armalite dyan sa video na nakita ko ha. So far, wala ko nakita may Armalite. Saan galing yung nagtutok sa'yo ng baril?
Sa loob, Your Honor.
Loob.
Yes, Your Honor. Pag-break ng glass, siya ang umuna. So, yung paglabas ko, wala na siya.
Okay. Thank you. Continue, sir. Continue.
Sa video nila, Your Honor, walang nag-break, wala ang glass na break.
Yung pag-break ng glass?
Oh, yes.
Wala nga.
Wala.
Wala nga. Bakit?
That's why, Mr. Chairman,
nila, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, sabi ko nga yung entire footage dapat ma-access natin kasi pwede kasing may editing.
Ma-alter.
Editing.
Edit.
Yung they will show us what they want to show us.
Yan.
What if we want to see some other parts of the incident? Kaya tinanong ko ngayon sa police, sabi, they assured us that they have the entire raw footage. Dapat ma-access po natin yun.
Thank you. With that, RD and PD, this committee is directing you to submit the raw footage of that incident. Hindi yung naputol-putol, yung buo, from start to finish.
Your Honor,
Submit po to this committee, ha?
comply, sir.
Right away, ngayon, tawagan mo doon na ipapadala dito kung kayang through email.
Okay, sir.
Ha?
Yes, sir.
Kasi para ma-compare natin kung may ginawang alterations or editing. Sige sir, continue sir.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor. Consequently, the incident management team removed both of the suspended mayor's companion from him in order to properly transport him to the police station. However, the suspended mayor resisted and make it evident that he did not want to go down to the police station. Now, due to his refusal, the necessary amount of force was applied and he was placed in a wheelchair to assure his safety going down the stairs. Also, the suspended mayor was strapped to the wheelchair with a malong on his chest so that no accident will happen upon going down the stairs. The malong will serve as the safety precaution to prevent a fall if the suspended mayor makes any unnecessary movements during his transport to the ambulance. So if I may show you again a video clip. Yes, ma'am.
Pause muna, pause. Technicals, can we get your opinion? Bakit parang lasing si Mayor? Yung boses, technical difficulties yan. Ha? Slow mo. Parang lasing eh. Ha? Technical problem yan? Ay, ni slow mo. Silence please, silence please. Silence
Honor,
please. Sir,
as you can see in the video, hindi po tinakloban yung ulo niya ng malong up to the chest. So makikita natin nakalabas yung ulo ni Mayor Dumanog. So contrary to his allegation that binilagyan ng malong yung ulo niya.
Continue.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. Lastly, it must be emphasized that there was no attempt from any of the ICS members to inject any kind of substance to the person of the suspended mayor. So if I may show you a clip.
Your medical team, why are you here? We're not asking for medical help.
Wala, may sakit ang kapuan. Ano yun yung manang sakit ng ambulance?
Your Honor, actually this video clip was taken from the one posted by the Dumanhog family. So it's just showing na the doctors and nurses were not in the ambulance area to inject substance to the mayor, to the suspended mayor. So yun lang pinapakita namin, Your Honors. To continue, sir. At 06:35 hours,
Sandali lang, sir, ha? Sandali lang. Mayor, saan ka ba inattempt na saksakan ng injection? Sa loob ng ambulansya, sa taas, sa baba, sa hagdan, where?
Jada paglabas ko, sir, Your
Paglabas?
Honor, doon sa malapit sa hagdanan ng pagbaba na namin.
Malapit sa hagdan?
Yung sa pagbaba na namin sa hagdanan.
Tapos,
Yeah, dyan yung malong ko, yung mahaba ang buhok, yung taas na tao, ginano nila sa ulo ko.
pagbaba na.
Paano?
Doon na sa baba.
Yes.
Hindi doon sa taas.
Hindi, yung pagbaba na namin sa hagdanan.
Pagbaba na.
Yes.
Okay. Please continue, sir. Continue.
thank you, Your Honor. At 06,
Miss General, kasama pa rin siguro yung tao with the video cam kahit na nasa first floor na. How come it was no first floor footage ang pinakita? Did even yung breaking of the glass, na-edit nyo. Ngayon, itong allegation na pagdating sa landing area sa first floor, yung mahabang buhok at tinakluban yung malong sa ulo niya, wala rin footage. Bakit po?
actually, Your Honor, dalawa kasi yung video cam na yan, body cam. Yung isang body cam nasa second floor, yung isa nasa first floor.
Hmm.
So nung bumaba sila sa first floor, naiwan yung naka-video cam sa second floor.
Hmm. Yung nasa first floor,
Wala kasi nandun siya with the Chief of Police of Bonifacio.
wala siya dun sa area. So, so talagang nagta-timing that the area where there is testimony is the area and time na walang body cam. Okay, so okay, tignan.
Matanong ko, sino yung nagsuot ng body cam? Sino yun?
Sir, PMS Brillo, sir.
Sana, Brillo. Bakit hindi ka sumunod sa baba? Bakit hanggang doon taas ka lang nagre-recording?
Sir, I was assigned to the whole duration of that incident, sir, in second floor, sir.
So you did not leave your area of
Yes.
responsibility?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Diyan na rin siya, sir. Your body cam was already on sa breaking of the glass.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so definitely nakunan yun.
Yes, sir.
Except it was omitted sa presentation ni General Villanueva.
Yes, Your
Okay,
Honor.
okay, okay.
Hindi, nagtataka lang ako, ha, sir. Nandoon, hindi pa nag-break ng glass, nag-announce si Colonel Gampong. Gawas niya, hindi ka magawas, di ba? Ikaw, nag-announce ka. So at that moment, wala pang breaking of the glass, di ba?
Sir, because
Bakit hindi nyo sinama, tinuloy-tuloy, kasama yung pag-break ng glass? Para ma-justify yung action ninyo. Kung
Yes.
talagang you need to break the glass, then why not? Why
Yes, Your Honor.
kailangan.
Kasi it was not necessary in my presentation because that breaking of the glass was already showed doon sa part nila, Dumanog family, during their presentation yesterday, yung pag-break ng glass.
Okay, pero baka mas maganda yung recording ninyo doon ba? Kasi body worn camera yun mas klaro. Mas maganda sana. But anyway,
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
The PNP will provide you with a copy of.
the raw footage, ha? Kumplito. Sige, continue, sir.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. At 06:35 hours, the incident objectives of the ICS were achieved. So the suspended mayor was turned over to Police Major Richel Sumagang unharmed for the proper police procedure. At 11:15 hours, suspended Mayor Samson Dumanhog finally underwent the booking procedure, which included the taking of his fingerprints and mugshots. Inquest proceeding followed where the suspended mayor requested to be under hospital arrest and then proceeded to Saraga Hospital in the municipality of Bonifacio. At 1800 hours, Police Major Richel Sumagang informed me that the police procedure was done and subsequently cases were filed against suspended Mayor Samson R. Dumanhog. That's all.
Can you mention the cases?
Sumagang, what cases did you file?
Sir, dalawa pong kaso yung na-file natin, sir. For violation of Article 237 of the Revised Penal Code, sir, the prolonging of powers and functions, sir. And then, yung sa amin, sir, is yung violation of Article 151 for disobedience and resistance of person, authority, and his agent, sir.
So to yung sinabi ni General booked, then charged na with two cases arising out of this 18-day incident ito, no? The 18-day defiance. Okay, so
Thank you.
ang disappointed lang ako sa report ni General Mr. Chairman. Sana as complete as ano, it's an objective report sana of the entire operation, kasi ICS supposed to guided kayo nung 4-level expert nyo eh. Tapos nag-edit kayo namimili kayo ng footages eh. Actually, the breaking of the glass is a man-made disaster eh. Kayo pang naka-injure tuloy, makaka-injure eh. Sana nakasama po yun para nakita natin na you are really giving a complete report, not choosing yung video footages na gaganda